Let me tell you something that is going to completely change how you think about YouTube. You do not need to show your face. Not even once. Not in your thumbnail, not in your videos, not anywhere. And you can still build a real channel with real subscribers, real watch hours, and real money coming in, all without ever putting yourself on camera. I know because it is happening right now, all around you. Channels with zero face reveals, zero personal branding, zero, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, energy, pulling in thousands of subscribers and hundreds of thousands of views every single month. Completely faceless, completely anonymous, completely crushing it. So if the only thing standing between you and starting your YouTube channel is the fear of being on camera, that excuse just officially died. Let's get into it. First, let me tell you why this is the absolute best time in YouTube history to start a faceless channel. 2 reasons. Number 1, AI tools. The tools available to creators right now are unlike anything that has ever existed before. You can generate cinematic video footage, realistic voiceovers, stunning visuals, natural sound effects, and professional thumbnails, all using AI, without a camera, without a studio, without a production team, and in many cases without spending a single dollar. The barrier to entry for creating high-quality content has never been lower in the history of this platform. Number 2, viewer behavior. Audiences on YouTube in 2025 are not watching channels because of who the creator is. They are watching because of what the content delivers. If your video solves a problem, tells a compelling story, teaches something valuable, or entertains them, they will watch it. They will subscribe. They will come back. Your face is irrelevant. Your value is everything. Step 1. Pick the right niche for faceless content. Not every niche works equally well for faceless channels, so the first thing you need to do is choose a niche that naturally fits the format. And the good news is, there are plenty of them. Storytelling channels work beautifully faceless. You narrate a compelling story over cinematic AI-generated visuals, and the audience is completely hooked on the story itself, not on you. True crime, motivational stories, historical narratives, heartwarming tales, all of these perform exceptionally well as faceless content. Wellness and lifestyle channels work incredibly well. Voiceover over clean, aesthetic visuals, talking about health tips, weight loss, skincare routines, mindset habits. Your audience does not need to see your face to trust your advice. They need to feel your voice and connect with your message. Faith-based and inspirational content thrives as faceless. Soft cinematic visuals, scripture integration, spoken word voiceover, this format has a deeply loyal and engaged audience that responds to atmosphere and message over personality. AI and tutorial content is perfect for faceless. Screen recordings, walkthroughs, tool comparisons. The screen is the content. You are the guide. Your voice leads them through everything they need to know. ASMR and ambient content is entirely faceless by nature. Relaxing visuals, natural soundscapes, gentle narration, this is one of the fastest growing content categories on YouTube right now, and it requires zero camera presence. Pick one. Go deep, own it. Step 2. Set up your faceless content toolkit. Now, let me give you the exact tools you need to run a faceless channel professionally. And I am going to split this into free tools and paid tools, so you know exactly what you can start with today, regardless of your budget. For video generation, the best free option right now is Meta AI. It generates good quality video footage from text prompts, and it costs you nothing. The limitation is that it does not generate audio with the video, so you will be adding your own voiceover or soundtrack separately. But for a beginner starting from zero, it is more than enough to create watchable, professional-looking content. If you have a budget, the paid option that changes everything is Grok AI. Grok generates video and audio together. Natural sound effects, ambient soundscapes, dialogue, all in one generation. It saves you enormous editing time, and the quality is significantly higher than free alternatives. At $30 a month, it is an investment that pays for itself quickly when your channel starts generating watch hours and eventually ad revenue. For voiceover, if you do not want to use your own voice, 11 Labs gives you realistic AI voices that sound genuinely human. You type your script and it speaks it. Clean, natural, and professional. For scripting, and you already know this one, Claude AI on the free plan writes scripts that sound human, flow naturally, and are structured specifically for YouTube retention. Use it for every single video. For thumbnails, Ideogram handles text on images better than almost any other AI tool available for free. Generate your base thumbnail, bring it into Canva, add your text overlays and graphics, and you have a professional thumbnail in under 20 minutes. For editing, CapCut is free, powerful, and designed specifically for the kind of content faceless creators make. Auto captions, transitions, beat sync, AI enhancement, everything you need in one place at zero cost.
Step 3, create content that actually gets subscribers. Here is where most faceless channels fail. They focus entirely on the visuals and completely forget about the content itself. Beautiful AI-generated footage with a boring, lifeless script will not get you subscribers. Ever. Your script is everything. Your hook is everything. The first 30 seconds of your video is the difference between someone subscribing and someone clicking off never to return. Every single video needs to open with a hook that creates an immediate question in the viewer's mind, something they absolutely need the answer to before they can click away. Then your content needs to deliver on that hook fully and satisfyingly. And your outro needs to give them a reason to subscribe. Not just ask them to subscribe, but give them a genuine reason. Tell them exactly what they will get if they hit that button. Make subscribing feel like a smart decision, not just a courtesy. Structure every video the same way. Strong hook, clear value delivery, satisfying conclusion, direct call to action. Repeat that formula consistently and your subscriber count will move.
Step 4. Optimize everything before you hit publish. Creating the video is only half the job. The other half is making sure people can actually find it. And this is where so many faceless creators leave growth on the table. Your title needs to include words people are actively searching for. Not clever wordplay, not creative titles only you would understand. Searchable, specific, curiosity-driven titles that tell YouTube exactly who this video is for. Your thumbnail needs to stop the scroll in under 2 seconds. Test it by looking at it as a tiny icon on your phone screen. Can you read the text? Does the image create an emotion? Does it make you want to click? If the answer to any of those is no, redesign it before you upload. Your description needs to include your main keywords naturally in the first 2 lines, because those first 2 lines are what YouTube reads first when deciding where to rank your video. Write them like you are speaking directly to your ideal viewer. Your tags need to cover your main topic, related topics, and the specific questions your video answers. Keep them under 500 characters and make every single one count.
Step 5. Be consistent and stack the growth. Here is the part that separates the channels that make it from the ones that disappear. Consistency. Not perfection, not viral moments, not luck. Showing up on a schedule and uploading regularly until the algorithm understands your channel well enough to start pushing it. The first 10 videos on a faceless channel are almost always slow. That is not failure. That is the algorithm learning what you are about and who to show your content to. Your job during that period is to keep uploading, keep improving, and keep optimizing. Every video teaches you something. Every upload is data. Every view is a signal. And if you want to shortcut the journey, if you want to compress months of organic growth into days and get your channel past that critical 1,000 subscriber milestone faster, there are legitimate paid promotion services that can get you there. Not bots, not fake subscribers, real promotion that puts your channel in front of real viewers who genuinely want the content you are creating. That is an investment worth considering seriously if you are committed to making this work. Your full faceless channel action plan. Pick your niche: storytelling, wellness, faith, tutorials, ASMR, or lifestyle. Set up your free toolkit: Meta AI for video, Claude for scripts, Ideogram for thumbnails, CapCut for editing. Write hooks that demand attention and scripts that deliver real value. Optimize every upload: title, thumbnail, description, tags. Post consistently on a schedule you can actually maintain. And invest in your growth when you are ready to accelerate. That is the full roadmap from 0 to 1,000 subscribers without showing your face once. So that is everything you need to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers on a completely faceless YouTube channel. The tools are available, the strategy is clear, the audience is waiting. The only thing left is for you to start. Drop a comment right now and tell me, what type of faceless channel are you going to build?
I genuinely want to know. And if this video helped you, share it with a creator who's been using the camera fear as an excuse to not start. Today, that excuse is gone. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.